Chinese government blocks the COVID data, says it won't publish data on a daily basis from today. This as the country witnesses its biggest COVID explosion, with some reports claiming that China logged a record 37 million cases in a day. Actor Sheezan arrested for allegedly abetting the suicide of his co-actor Tunisha Sharma. Mirror now accesses FIR copy which says that the actor duo broke up 15 days back. Whistleblower in the Karnataka Cut Money case arrested for non-appearance in a defamation case filed against him by a minister. Congress questions the arrest, says whistleblower being targeted. Karnataka Chief Minister dodges queries. In a big blow to the BJP, former BJP minister and mining baron Janardhana Reddy is all set to launch a new political party in the run-up to Karnataka Assembly polls. Deadly US winter blizzard claims 27 lives. A power supply disrupted for over 4 lakh households. Over 2,500 flights cancelled in a single day. India win a test series against Bangladesh. Defeat Bangladesh in second test by 3 wickets.